everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build an WhatsApp AI assistant for your real estate agency. If you own a real estate agency, then manually responding to repetitive FAQs, providing property details, and troubleshooting steps can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI assistant which will respond to all of these queries and automate the whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI assistant that I have created for real estate agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the AI assistant, I'm going to send a simple hello. And as soon as the message gets delivered, our AI assistant responds us with, "Hi again, how can I help you today? If you have any questions or need assistance, just let me know." So I'm going to ask a question that says, what are the steps and documents required for buying or renting a property? And what are the common real estate marketing queries? And here, our AI assistant responds us with, "Certainly, here are all the steps and documents required for buying and renting a property." Here, it provides us all the documents such as identity proof, address proof, etc. And here, it has provided us steps. Next, it has provided us renting property documents required such as ID proof and address proof and the given step. And lastly, it is asking us if you have any more specific questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. So I'm going to ask another question such as, can you provide details about available properties including their description, pricing and location? And here our AI assistant responds us with, "Sure, here are some details about available properties." So it is providing us details about available properties such as luxury department in downtown, including price, location and size, and suburban villa including price, location and size. And it is asking, if you're interested in any of these property, would you like more information? Just let me know. So I'm going to ask another question that says, how can I schedule a property viewing or request more details about a listing? And it responds us with, to schedule a property viewing or request more details, you can follow these steps. Select property, provide your preferred date and time, and wait for confirmation. You can send a message with property info followed by property name you're interested in. Feel free to let me know which property you would like to schedule for viewing or need more details about a specific listing. So once the user has asked about documents required for buying or renting a property, the user is asking for the available property and then they are asking about property viewing. So after all this, user can have some technical issues. So we are going to ask them, what should I do if I face technical issues or problem with my property inquiry? Can you provide some troubleshooting steps? And our AI assistant responds us with, absolutely, if you face any issues or problems with your property inquiry, here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. And it says, check internet connections, refresh the page, clear browsing cache, try a different browser, disable browser extensions, check device compatibility, or contact support if none of the above steps work. And here it has also provided us contact details and email address. We are here to help, so feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. So this is the AI assistant that we have created, which not only provides us property related details, but also responds to all of the FAQs, schedule property viewing, and also provides us troubleshooting steps if any technical issues occur. Now, if you also want to create this amazing AI assistant for your real estate agency, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. But before we begin, let me introduce you to Pabbly Community. This is our official Pabbly community. Here you can get exclusive access to real-time updates, helpful resources, and support from your team and fellow users. Here you can share ideas, ask questions, and even discover latest features and tips using Pabbly applications. Here you can get real-time updates, connect with industry experts, and even ask questions and share valuable feedback. So join Pabbly community today. Now we can go back to main landing page of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now to create an AI assistant, simply click on AI Assistant. Here we have to provide a name to our AI assistant. Here I have named it as AI Assistant for Real Estate Agency. Then I'm going to simply click on Add AI Assistant. Now we are redirected towards this AI assistant flow. First, we have to provide instruction type. When you click on it, you get a list of all the instruction types in the drop-down. Select one according to your needs. Here I'm going to select AI agent and here it has provided us roles as primary functions as well as constants. I'm going to move ahead with AI configuration in which we have to set the temperature. It says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. That means you can enhance or decrease the creativity level from here. So I'm going to enhance the creativity level to 0.9. Now we have to select the AI tool as OpenAI and here I'm going to select the model as GPT 4.0 mini. Then we have to provide an API key and for this you have to generate API key through OpenAI API keys page. Click on it and you will be redirected towards API keys page. To create a new secret key, you simply have to click on Create New Secret Key. Here we have to provide name of our AI assistant as AI Assistant for Real Estate Agency and I'm going to keep the project settings as default and then I'm going to click on Create Secret Key. A new secret key has been generated which I'm going to copy and paste it as our API key token. Then I'm going to click on Connect and here it says OpenAI key saved successfully. So now I can move ahead for AI Assistant settings. Here we get an option to provide header message. If you want to provide a header message, you simply have to enable this toggle and provide your header message here. You can also provide a footer message in a similar way. Stop keywords which will stop AI Assistant from responding or retry attempts. I'm going to leave them all disabled and here we get a default fallback message which you can customize as per your needs. Next, I'm going to move ahead to the knowledge source. This is a very important part of our AI assistant as our AI assistant will only respond according to the knowledge source provided by us. So whatever the information is provided in the knowledge source, AI assistant will respond according to that. Make sure your knowledge size is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. So here I am going to provide a knowledge source like this. Once the knowledge source is updated, it will appear here. Here it says file uploaded and processed successfully. Now I can move ahead with assistant interface. Here we have to provide a header display heading name. So I'm going to name it as real estate agent, which will appear here like this. And next we have header display subheading name, which is we are online and happy to assist you. It will appear here to the user. You can customize it if you want. Like this. Here I'm asking what do you need assistance with. It will appear here. I'm going to remove it as it appears too lengthy and I'm going to leave it as it is. Here we also get initial message which appear here. If you want to add another initial message, you can add it like this. Once you have typed your initial message, you can enter it to register and here your initial message will appear. I'm going to remove it as well and then it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see it displays powered by Pabbly label. If you want to remove it, you simply have to select disable from the drop down and it will stop displaying the powered by Pabbly label. Here we also got privacy policy. If you want to customize the privacy policy for your real estate agency, you can customize the footer text and here you can add your real estate privacy policy link or any other link as per your needs. Lastly, we've got this user's first message. This is also a very important aspect as this will make our AI assistant activated. So I'm going to write a simple hello. So whenever a user types hello, our AI assistant will be activated. Lastly, here we've got styling. From here, we can customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. So we can change the theme from light to dark and it will appear like this in the dark mode. I'm going to turn it on as light. Here you can also change AI assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. You can change assistant background color or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color as well as footer text color. You can even change the header profile picture which appears here or you can change assistant profile picture which appears here. You can even change the background if you want. In this way, you can modify the appearance of your AI assistant as you want. Lastly, you have to enable this toggle which will make your AI assistant activated and fully functional. Now we have completed the setup of our AI assistant. Now, if you want to create your own AI assistant, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done with all the customizations of your AI assistant, you can click on Save AI Assistant from here and your AI assistant will be saved successfully. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.